Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play two games on Steam at the same time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Click on it to access all your installed games. This is where you'll manage both games you want to run simultaneously. In the left panel, you'll see your complete list of games. Right-click on the first game you want to play, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings for that specific game. Now look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn this toggle off. Disabling the Steam overlay is crucial because it helps avoid potential overlay-related issues and maximizes performance, especially if you're working with an older PC or running resource-intensive games. The overlay can consume additional system resources, and turning it off for both games will ensure smoother gameplay. With that setting disabled, you're ready to launch your first game. Click the play button for this game and then wait for a few seconds while it loads. Depending on the size of the game and your system specs, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. Don't rush this step as you want the first game to fully initialize before moving on to the second one. Once your first game is up and running, you'll need to return to your Steam library. You can do this by minimizing the game or using Alt+Tab to switch windows. Back in the library, locate the second game you want to play in the left panel. Just like before, right-click on this game and select Properties from the menu. Again, find the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option and toggle it off. This ensures both games are configured identically and won't conflict with each other through the overlay system. Now you're all set to launch the second game. Click the play button and wait for a few seconds while it loads as well. Once both games have loaded successfully, you'll have two Steam games running simultaneously on your computer. You can switch between them using Alt+Tab or by clicking on their respective windows. And that's it, you've successfully configured and launched two Steam games at the same time by disabling the overlay feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.